Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit a food log on the Ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with using the application. So first things first, we can go and choose our theme right here in the bottom right corner by clicking the theme section. That's going to enable us to select what theme we want to be a part of. So you can filter it out right here to find which one suits you the most and join it, and then we can get started with following that team's workouts. And alongside this, we can get started with following our food log right here in the bottom right corner by clicking the nutrition tab. As you can see, this is going to enable us to set up our tracking. So this is going to be included with your membership. You cannot use these features for free. You need to have a premium subscription to be able to use Ladder and all its features. So once you've gotten your subscription and membership, you're going to be able to log your food right here. So you're going to go ahead and be able to, after navigating the nutrition tab, tap on the specific meal or food entry that you want to change, and then tap on the specific ingredient, macro, or serving size that you want to adjust and update the numbers. It's all going to be doable right here in the nutrition tab, but you need a premium membership, so keep that in mind, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.